I was from the city, she was from the outside. I was from the north, she was from the south side.
Just keep it.
Nobody sees, nobody knows.
Ты кто?
Машина времени не нужна тебе?
Это Powerbank.
Машина времени, нажми кнопку.
Да, давай. Все, я ее не трогаю.
Как такое может быть, что тебя забыть?
Машина времени не нужна тебе?
Нет!
I just died on your arms tonight. It must have been something you said. I just died on your arms tonight.
Are you okay?
Hello.
Hi, are you okay?
Yeah.
I saw you looking at me and I thought you were cute. You should take my number down.
Your phone number.
Mm-hmm.
Like your personal phone number.
Yeah. Okay.
Call me. Oh my god, are you okay? Oh my god. Oh no. He's dead.
Это мой лучший друг.
I came in like a wrecking ball. I never hit so hard in love. All I wanted was to break your walls. All you ever did was wreck me. Yeah, you.
Малыш, почему этот парень тебя лапает?
Ты с ума сошел? Это мой друг.
Чувак, расслабься, мы же просто друзья. Простите, мне, наверное, показалось. Ребят, а давайте сходим в кино?
Да, давайте сходим.
I came in like a wrecking ball. I never hit so hard in love. All I wanted. 1 сентября, 1 сентября,
Bunches and bunches, punches is thrown into your frontlets. Oodles and noodles, bang bullets at suckers' noodles. Last album voodoo, proved that we was fucking brutal. I'm talking crazy, half past the clock is cuckoo. You rappers doodle, baby shit, just basic boo boo. I'm talking Zulu, Mansa Musa, my money buku. My beats is banging, fuck what you rapping, who produced you? I slap the snot, take what you got and run the juice you.
UNC Bitsy, furry, frightened, and freaking sickly. A little quickly, dick on display for winter swimming. Look at these kitties, Mike, I'm a rat-a-tat for living. I deal in dirty work, do the deed in the dash. Ditch 'em. I'll land a hammer that's stuck in a fist and gun position. We run a brand with a stuck.
I can't tell you how stuck I am.
Что с ней, ребят? Объясните мне, пожалуйста. Все нормально у вас, девушка?
Разные сучки будут наказаны.
Ребят, пожалуйста, девушки, если вы меня слышите, не пейте по пятницам, пожалуйста. Что?